Hey guys, welcome to my channel. From this video onwards, we will discuss the previous year question paper solutions like RRB and SSC. And now in this video, we will discuss the previous year paper solutions RRB Secunderabad, which was held on March 2016. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please watch the video until last second and give a like to my video if you like my explanation. And do subscribe for more videos. The first question is, if 1 plus 2 is equal to 5, then 3 plus 4 is equal to 25. And what is 5 plus 6?
Here we are just squaring the sum values to get the resultant. That is 1 square plus 2 square equal to 5. Similarly 3 square plus 4 square equal to 25. And then 5 square plus 6 square equal to 61.
If GEM is equal to NJK, what is KID?
Here first make a note of the positional value of each letter. That is G is 7, N is 14, E is 5, J is 10, M is 13, Z is 26. From this what we can say is, to find the other unknown letter, first we have to multiply with 2 with the known letter positional value. That is, if we multiply 7 with 2, we will get the N, that is N, and 5 2's 10, J, M 13, 13 2's 26, Z. Similarly, KID is equal to, K is 11, 11 2's 22, V, I is 9, 9 2's 18, R, D is 4, 4 2's 8, H.
A sum of money triples itself in 8 years at a certain time rate of SI. How long it will take for it to become 5 times at the same rate of interest?
Here we have to find the rate of interest. Since it is a simple interest, the rate of interest is common to every year. So assume the total amount be 3x and the principal be x, which implies SI is equal to amount minus principal, that is 3x minus x equal to 2x. From similar formula, simple interest equal to PRT by 100. Substituting the above values, 2x equal to x into r into time is 8 years, 8 by 100, we will get rate of interest 25%. From this rate of interest, let the total amount be 5x and the principal be x. Similarly, simple interest is equal to 4x, SI equal to PRT by 100, 4x equal to x into 25 into t by 100, which implies t is equal to 16 years.
ABC partnership firm earned a profit of rupees 1,20,393 rupees. Is to be distributed between A, B, C in the ratio 5:3:1. How much did B get?
Here A, B, C together earning an amount of 1,20,393 and their sum ratio is 5:3:1. which implies A plus B plus C is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 1, that is 9, and B's amount is equal to 3 by 9 into 1,20,393, that equal to 40,131 is the B's share.
What is baking soda?
Option A is potassium permanganate. Its chemical formula is KMnO4. It is used as water purifying agent and antifungal agent. Option B is sodium chloride, chemical formula NaCl, and it is salt. Option C is sodium bicarbonate, chemical formula is NaHCO3. It is used in ENO, that is known as baking soda. Option D is sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, chemical formula, and it is used in food preparing. This is known as washing soda or cooking soda. So
who is the Chief Election Commissioner of India?
as this exam is held on 2016, so at the time the Chief Election Commissioner of India is Dr. Nasim Seghi, and present 2020 Chief Election Commissioner is Sunil Arora.
Which of the following is a perfect square?
8.1 is not a perfect square and 0.025 is not a perfect square. Coming to option A, if we multiply 0.3 into 0.3, we will get 0.09.
The compound interest on a principal for a period of 2 years at the rate of 5% per annum is rupees 10 more than the simple interest at the same interest and the term. Find the principal.
Here, the difference between simple interest and compound interest is rupees 10. And the compound interest for the first year at the rate of 5% per annum is rupees 10. Implies 5 by 100 of x is equal to 10. Therefore, x equal to 200. 5% of principal is equal to 200. Therefore, total principal amount is equal to 200 into 100 by 5, that equal to 4000 rupees.
Mammal is to human as flower is to.
Mammals are nothing but warm-blooded animals. Example of mammal are human, and similarly flower example is rose.
A shopkeeper marks his goods at 25% above cost price and allows discount of 25% on market price. What is the overall profit or loss?
Assuming the cost price to be 100, 25% above cost price equal to 100 plus 25, that equal to 125 is the new selling price. Giving discount on the new selling price, 125 into 25 by 100 equal to 31.25. 125 minus 31.25 is equal to 93.575. That is the money he is earning, implies it is the loss. Therefore, loss percent equal to 100 minus 93.75 into 100 by 100 is equal to 6.25. Is the loss percentage. All options are given wrong, so it is the correct answer.
To what does the Chandrasekhar limit apply to?
Chandrasekhar unit is used for explaining the maximum mass of a white dwarf star, which is equivalent to 1.44 times of solar mass. When this limit exceeds the star to a neutron star or a black hole. So that is, Chandrasekhar limit is applied to stars.
What comes next in the series? DQ, FS, HU.
Here, the difference between DQ, FS, HU is 1, that is DQ. After gap of one letter, that is F. Here, after a gap of one letter, that is S. DQ, FS, HU, and the next series is J and W.
Two numbers are in the ratio 7:12. When 7 is added to both the ratios between them becomes 7 by 11. Find the smallest of them.
The ratio of two numbers is 7 by 12. If we add plus 7 to it, we will get 7 by 11. Assuming the number 7:12 as 7x is to 12x, then 7x by 12x by adding 7 to both the numerator and denominator, that is equal to 7 by 11. 77x plus 77 is equal to 84x plus 49. 77 minus 49 is equal to 84x minus 77x. 28x equal to 7x. Simplifies x equal to 4. From this we have to substitute the x value here. That is 7 4s 28 and 12 4s 48. Hence, between these two, the smallest number is 28.
If TIRE is written as 69185, snow is written as 1914153, then rain is written as.
Here we are just assigning the alphabetical order value for each letter. That is, E is 5, R is 18, I is 9 and T is 20. By mistake 6 is written here, and similarly it follows to snow, and rain value is R is 18, A is 1, I is 9 and N is 14. C is the answer.
An example of rhizome is.
A rhizome is a continuously growing horizontal underground system. From these options, the perfect example for rhizome from the definition is ginger.
A 250-meter train crosses a pole in 8 seconds. If it takes 20 seconds to cross a platform, how long is the platform?
Let the length of the train be 250 meters and time taken by the train to cross the pole is 8 seconds. Speed of the train is equal to 250 by 8, that is velocity is equal to displacement by time. From that formula, 250 by 8 gives 31.25, that is meter per second, and time taken to cross the platform, that equal to 20 seconds. That is, here TC is nothing but time taken by the train to cross the platform, that equal to length of platform plus length of train by speed of train. From this, substituting the above values, we will get the length of platform, that equal to 375 meters.
Who painted the Last Supper?
Leonardo da Vinci painted the Last Supper.
Find out the odd one out. Queen, spade, square, diamond.
Queen, spade, diamond are used in playing cards, but not square. So the correct answer is option C, square is the odd one.
What symbols would replace the question mark? 72, question mark 8, question mark 3 equal to 27.
Option A, B and D will not satisfy the given condition. So if we use option C, that is 72 divided by 8 gives 9 and 9 multiplied by 3 gives 27.
Which of the following increases the greenhouse effect?
Carbon dioxide increases the greenhouse effect.
If plus is divided by and minus is multiply, what is 8 plus 6 minus 3 equal to?
8 divided by 6 gives 4 by 3 and multiplying it with 3 get cancelled and 4 is the answer.
Which of the following languages uses ideographs?
A symbol that represents an idea rather than using sounds is called an ideograph. An example of ideograph is a smiling face. Almost Asian languages like Japanese, Chinese and Korean are the ideographic languages. So the answer is Japanese.
Solve a power 6 multiplied a power minus 4 divided by a cube.
First multiply a power 6 with a power minus 4. Here bases are common, so powers can be added. 6 minus 4 gives a square and divided by a cube gives 1 by a.